Hello, you're welcome to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 8. This is the revised edition, and in this lesson, we are looking at applying the laws of indices to solve problems. We can find this lesson in page 73. In our previous lesson, we went through the laws of indices. Now we want to see how we can apply it in solving questions. In this question here, we have to simplify a exponent 5 times a exponent 2 times a exponent 4. According to the law, since all the bases are the same and we are multiplying in each of the cases, we can keep only one base and add 5 plus 2 plus 4. And that will give us a exponent 7 plus 4, which will give us 11. Good. Then on the second part, the first two numbers are multiplying, so that I can write 5 exponent 5 plus 2 divided by 5 exponent 3. So the first one giving you 5 exponent 7 divided by 5 exponent 3. Of course, that one too, since the bases are the same, we can subtract exponents. So finally, our answer will be 5 exponent 4. Good. I hope it makes sense. Then the last question here says that a divided by 4 means a will have 7 minus 4, then times a exponent negative 3. Whilst we do the top one to get 3 here, times a exponent negative 3. Then again, a and a are multiplying, so we maintain the base and we add exponents. And adding the exponent to give us a exponent 0. Okay, and a exponent 0 we can just write 1, so the answer is 1. Good. I'm sure it makes sense because we know the laws already. Let's take another example. Here we have to simplify this. According to one of the property, we learned that this exponent here affect all of them. So we are going to have 2 exponent 2 times 3, then times 3 exponent 3 also times 3. Now let's keep this into brackets and then do divided by. Here too, nothing can be done because they are different bases. So let me keep my numbers as such. Okay. Then we go again, we can have 2 exponent 6 times 3 exponent 9 divided by, let me go this way and say divided by 2 exponent 4 times 3 exponent 7. I'm doing this because I can see the division for this 2, division for that 2. So the 2 will give me 2 exponent 6 minus 4. That is because 2 is dividing 2 here. Then times 3 also is dividing 3. So that will be 3 exponent 9 minus 2. Sorry, 9 minus 7. Okay, so in the nutshell, we will say 2 exponent 2 here because 6 minus 4 is 2 times 3 exponent also 2 because 9 minus 7 is 2. And since the bases are not the same, we'll leave our answer as such. Let's try the last example. Here we have to do this. Now, what will happen is that you see the bases are not the same, so it will be difficult to be adding and subtracting bases and stuff. So it will be very easy if I change each of these numbers into indices. Now, 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3, then the existing power 3 there, times 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 give us 2 to the power 6, give us 64. Then here we have 3 to the power 4 will give us 81 times 3 to the power 2, then times 2 to the power 5. If you move down a bit, the numerator side, we can have 3 exponent 9 times 2 exponent 6. All divided by this, and this will give us 3 exponent 6 times, then this alone will be 2 exponent 5. You see that now? Good. Now we see these two dividing, so then that will give us 3 exponent 9 minus 6, then times, then these two also dividing 2 exponent 6 minus 5. When we simplify this like we did earlier, we have 3 exponent 3 times 2 exponent 1. And since the bases are not the same, we leave our answer as such. So there are a lot of questions in the textbook for you to solve. Go ahead and solve more questions. I'm sure you'll be able to overcome them. Thanks so much for watching this lesson.